So this is how how to open a watch and remove the inner parts. You get it? So you just improvise when you don't have the tools. Let's say you have the blade, so you come to the back part. This is a nurse's watch, beautiful one from whatever quartz. So you just put it behind there when it's not too tight, it opens so easily. So up, then the inside, many people wonder how you can remove this body, not this one, not this plastic one. This one is easy. So like that, you can remove that. Now the issue comes to this one. You pull it out, but it can't. Let's say you have nails, you just push this small thing here, this small thing here, push it down, then you pull this one, and they are simple. Now for example, my watch battery doesn't work, so that's how you remove it. There is your watch, smart, easy. You can replace the battery because this one isn't working, so it's just easy to pull this one out when it's open. Just take care not to touch the parts because they can get damaged easily. So you replace with a working battery because this one doesn't work. And these batteries are harder to find, these small ones. I don't know what they're called. I don't know what you can call them. Anyways, so taking the back, just the same way. Put this one where it belongs. Is it like that? Like that, then this one back to its place. This time you don't press it that way, and this one follows and close. You're done. Easy. It's not working, it's not working. The battery is dead. Don't know, I just bought it like that. It got no warranty, so annoying. Don't know whether you understand. So that's just the simple steps to opening a watch and removing the body, trying to change the battery, just so easy. Otherwise you can't do any other work in the watch, like needs professionals to do it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see next.